Midjourney have just become infinitely better. In fact, they are so good right now, I don't actually understand how there are still bad designs. There are so many AI tools out there, and Midjourney was starting to fall behind, what with the likes of Dalle-3 and other fantastic AI tools coming into existence. However, Midjourney have just released version 6, meaning we can now take designs that looked like this and make them look like this. Did you notice the difference? And by the way, I don't mean the difference of my office. If you are a regular viewer, you will see that this isn't the same as what it used to be, and I've actually moved into a new office. If you want to see a video going over my office, there's a cool gym over there. It's not finished. You can see it's all like dark over here, and the lights aren't really done properly. But anyway, this is my new office, so welcome. This is the first video in my new office. I'm very, very excited. However, that wasn't the difference I was talking about. Can you notice the difference between image A and image B? Text is here on Midjourney. Midjourney has always been one of the best AI tools in terms of its graphic ability. You know, the I don't even know what it is because I'm not a programmer or like a techie guy, but the quality that Midjourney was able to produce with its graphics was absolutely incredible. However, it lacked massively with text, as you can see. However, it's now here, meaning the powerhouse that was Midjourney has now got text, and like my brain is exploding with potential ideas. So in this video, I want to give you some examples of prompts that will allow you to make some of the best artwork out there. And as well as that, I want to actually show you how you can start using version 6 of Midjourney right now. But before I can do that, I have to just say a big shout out to Philip Anders, who is a fellow YouTuber, a friend who also does print-on-demand content. His Midjourney content is absolutely fire. It's brilliant content. His Midjourney video has inspired me to make this one and share it with as many people as I possibly can. So after this, definitely go check out his stuff. All right, how to set it up. So I've got my computer over here. What you need to do is you need to just, well, if you never used Midjourney before, you need to sign up to Midjourney, but we're going to just skip that step because I have lots of videos showing you how to do that. So what I've done here is I do it a bit differently. I've created a new server and I've called it Midjourney Organized, and you can see I've organized all my stuff here. Now, again, I will link below the video where I show you exactly how to do this if it's something you want to do. So I've created a new channel called V6 video, which is this video. What you need to do is you need to start with a / settings, right? And then just click enter. And it will basically show you this. So you can see I'm on V6. I would have been on V2. So if you go to V6, it will move it to V6, okay? And you can do adjust your settings here, current suffix, and this is what it is. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is go / suffix -- S 200 -- V space 6. Once you do that, this will come after every single one of our prompts now. So we will always be using version 6. Now we're all set up. Let's try it out. So to start it out, I'm literally just going to do a very similar prompt with an avocado, like what Philip did. But that's just to kind of show you what this can do. Once that's done, I want to then go over some really detailed prompts that allow you to create works of art like this. Just, you'll see. It's going to be incredible. So let's start with a / imagine, right? And then let's put in a cute kawaii style of a cat in the shape of an, in quotations, avo. Bam, let's see what happens. So I have to wait a few seconds and we'll see what it does. But you can see how it's automatically added the V6 over here. It's what we wanted it to do. But let's just see what it creates. Okay, just so we can get it out of the way and you can see how flipping cool this now is. Okay, there's a couple of spelling mistakes, of course, as there always would be. It wasn't the best, most detailed prompt, but this is what we've got. We've got avocado catto, so I can easily get rid of that, but that's not a very good graphic. That's actually a terrible graphic. And then this one. I love this one. It's really cute. Avocado cat. It works perfectly. It's even got the border around it. We can easily get rid of this green or whatever color, this minty green background. And there you have a fully fleshed out, done design. Now, as well as this one, I also made this prompt. I also did this prompt before the video, and I actually came out with much better results. Let's have a look at those. These are the results that I had before I actually started the video. Now, the thing is, I have actually spelt avocado wrong. As you can see, I've done AVA instead of AVO. That's just my stupidity, which is annoying. However, it's got some really cool ones. Avocado Cato, I think it's brilliant. That one's great. This one's incredible. Avocado cat is brilliant. I love this font, avocado cat, as well over here. So all what I have to do is change that A for that O. And then we've got the right spelling, and don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So stay tuned. Now, that's just the simple prompt of a cute kawaii style of a cat in the shape of an avocado. I want to go over some more detailed, epic kind of prompts. So first, let's just go for imagine, right, / imagine. Now I'm going to copy and paste this because it's quite long and I've written it down here. Okay, so this one says something a little bit different. This one says, a wall poster printed with an image of a racing car and the word Monaco at the top. In the style of a speed painting, light orange, captivating harbor views, commissioned for traditional oil painting, teal and orange. Detailed and what would hope to be a cool result. So let's enter and see what that does. Now, I have also tested this one, which is what I showed you right at the beginning. We're going to see what it produces now. Okay, here we go. So this one kind of got ruined, Monaco. But look at this one at the top, Monaco, with a really, really cool car. So we're going to upscale that so we can look at it in a bit more detail so you can see it. What I would do is actually add a cool grunge border and slap it on the back of a t-shirt, which is a really, really popular kind of design at the moment. But look at this, look at the colors, look at the paint style. It's so flipping cool. You got Monaco over there. You got the boats and the mountains and the oil painting style. These work so well. It's really, really, really cool. And I've got a whole bunch just like that. So moving forward, in order to kind of get these designs, you want to do a couple of things. You want to include certain buzzwords like oil painting and certain colors. So for example, this one has a light orange, and then as well as it also says captivating harbor views. So you actually want to make your whole prompt feel a lot more flowery with its text. I know it sounds weird and silly, but by doing this, it allows you to create these incredibly detailed prompts that generate some really, really creative and artistic results. One thing I like to do next is actually vectorize my image in case I need to go in and fix anything. So let's go back to this one, which is this avocado, and actually let's choose this one where I got the spelling wrong because that's a perfect example. My favorite one is this number 2, so we're going to upscale number 2, and vectorizing it basically turns it into an SVG and allows me to edit it however I want. And the colors, if the spelling is wrong and I need to change a word up, so this is what I do. You can see I've got these 2 plugins. I've got Prompt a Lot, which is brilliant, and I've got My Designs. Now, if you want me to make a video on these separately, let me know in the comments down below. So I would go to the My Designs one, and you can see I've made a new folder, version 6 Midjourney, and I would just click that button, and it would immediately send this image over to my Designs folder, which is this. So you can see empty listings. If I refresh this, it will show up in here. It's just so quick and easy. This saves me downloading tons of prompts, then downloading tons of images, then uploading tons of images. This just does it nice and easy. Right, once I've done that, I'll select it. And with My Designs, I can do a whole bunch of things. So this isn't an ad for My Designs. It's just something I use and really like. But I can remove background, I can upscale, vectorize, canvas, all these things. I'm going to vectorize this. I'm going to put it in mockup 1, vectorize image. It's going to cost me 2 credits. That's absolutely fine. Right, once it does that, I will then download it and I'll show you what to do next to kind of fix little issues like A and the O over there. Okay, so all we have to do now is we can see this is the mockup, all actions, download zip, download that one. I don't need the main file. Click download. Once it downloads, I'll show you what to do next. Once downloading Figma, which is totally free, and that's why I'm using it in this example, we can drag the SVG file into Figma, and you can see I can edit each individual thing. So let's say if I want to edit the belly of this avocado, I can just go in here and change the color to black. Now, I don't want to do that, but one thing I do need to do is fix the spelling, and that's removing this A, so that needs to go, and we need to move this O over to here. Now, don't worry, I know we need to move the inside as well, but actually we could just use that inside. Let's make that a little bit bigger, and that should be a simple stretch. And now we've got ourselves a well-spelt avocado cat. Now, the next thing we want to do is potentially remove the white background. So we can just select the white background, which will be right at the bottom, and click delete. And you can see that background has now gone. And you're good to go. The next thing I do is just select it all, group it. So Command G or Control G. And then click export down here. Always make sure to click 4x so that it's the best quality, and click export group 1. And then you will have a design ready to go that can be used for t-shirts, mugs, stickers, posters, whatever you want. So the question is, how does this Midjourney version 6 compare with Dalle-3, who perfected graphics and tech? We're going to put the exact same prompt in, and then I want you to decide in the comments which one you think is better. Let's just copy it, paste it, enter, and see what it does. So it might take a bit of time to create this image, but let's just wait and see. Okay, here are the results. A and B. Which one do you think is better? A is ChatGPT and B is Midjourney. But let me know in the comments down below just by commenting A or B. Don't say Midjourney or Dalle-3. Just say A or B. And on a side note, if you like this content and you want me to make more content about Midjourney and Dalle and how you can leverage AI moving forward, then let me know in the comments down below and I will make more content around this topic for you.